Welcome to Hard Resident Evil channel, dear viewers. In front of me is Sony Xperia 10 Mark V, and I'm gonna show you how to install Opera browser on this device. First need to open the Play Store, find here Opera. Find any Opera browsers because I have installed, but I will uninstall it to show you how to install. So click install button, wait a while. Cool. Click open, skip, not now. And cool, as you can see, Opera browser was successfully installed. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to the Java channel, and bye. See you.